You already know video is the most powerful marketing tool, but there's a big problem. If you're like us, you've invested in tons of video tools and found that there's still no one video creator that has everything needed for fast, professional-grade video creation. All the video creators we came across were too complex. You need to buy an additional training course on just how to use the editor. Too feature-diluted. Couldn't allow for rich video customization and what our clients wanted. Or too junky and unsupported. The videos looked bad and the app would go unsupported. For years, we've been searching for a video creation tool that is powerful enough to create attention-grabbing videos that build trust, drive fast traffic and sales, flexible enough to create videos that don't look like everybody else's videos, simple enough to start cranking out professional videos in minutes without steep learning curves or endless tweaking. Because we were simply wasting too much money on missed clients and wasting too much time with video editors that didn't live up to the hype, we had no choice but to create our own custom solution. After a year of development, we're proud to announce PlayPix, a groundbreaking drag-and-drop cloud video creation tool that lets anyone create studio-quality videos for any need in a matter of minutes with brand-new technology and no learning curve needed. Drag and drop your way to professional-grade videos in just 4 steps. Step 1. Drag pro-quality images or videos to the timeline editor. Search a gigantic library of pro-quality images or a big collection of video clips and drag them to the timeline editor to begin creating your video. Step 2. Layer custom voiceovers, background music, and other audio. Then, layer custom voiceovers you record in PlayPix or import into the app, background music, or other audio behind your image and video clips. You can change the timing of any image or video clip to sync everything perfectly. Step 3. Customize text, fonts, animations, timings, and more. Then, add text, overlays, advanced pan zoom effects, watermark images, and far more to any image or video you've added to the video timeline editor. PlayPix allows you to import and customize everything to make the video exactly how you want. Step 4. Preview, render, and share. Then, preview how your video will look right inside the app, and once it's right, hit render. PlayPix will store your project and video inside our cloud server for no additional cost, for you to use whenever you're ready. This groundbreaking video app has everything you need to get highly qualified traffic and leads for your business or your clients, including a drag-and-drop video editor for rich video customization. Quickly drag and drop images, video, and audio to the timeline and add text, change size, fonts colors, add color overlays, and more to them for fast, precise video creation. A multi-track video timeline editor. Layer images and full video tracks over audio voiceovers or background music for ultra-fast and efficient video building. It comes with 9 DFY local business templates. Get 9 DFY templates to create videos fast in the hottest local niches. There's an advanced Ken Burns style animator. Customize pan and zoom effects on any image you please down to the exact spot you want. Make your videos stand out from any other video creator on the market, even the big commercial guys. You can upload music, voiceovers, custom video clips, and more. Add your own voiceover tracks, audio, images, video clips, intros, outros, and more. Access to PlayPix stock photo and video library. Tap into our massive database of tons of pro-quality images and thousands of videos in tons of different niches to build PlayPix videos from. And even more highly unique features like built-in voiceover recorder. Record a custom voiceover on the fly and insert it into your video using PlayPix built-in voiceover audio capture and voiceover system. Onboard library on transition and animation effects. Dazzle your viewers with easy-to-add transitions between slides or parts of any video. Fully cloud-based. No need to download or store anything. Now you can create videos anywhere with an internet connection and download them at any time. Preview the video before rendering. Finally, actually see what your video will look like before you sit and wait for it to render. Free cloud storage. Store your videos and campaigns all on our servers. No need to take up more desktop space unlike other advanced video apps. And far more than that. While all your competitors are using the same video tools to create cookie-cutter videos, you can use PlayPix to create truly unique videos that stand out and win the attention your business deserves. Because let's get real here. To win new customers or keep your clients happy, you need to create videos fast that are different, which is exactly what PlayPix allows you to do on the fly. You can create unlimited videos in unlimited niches. PlayPix is perfect for YouTube vloggers. Create fully customizable Ken Burns-style pan-zoom image videos with custom voiceovers and CTAs fast, just like the most profitable channels are doing today. Local marketers and brick-and-mortar businesses. Create videos to sell or rank for local businesses. Videos for local promotions or events, and includes local DFY templates. Affiliate marketers and e-com store owners. Create viral social media videos with custom CTAs to lead viewers to the sales page. Plus, import full video clips demonstrating the product into your PlayPix videos. Content creators and bloggers. Transform or curate existing content into fully unique video and share on YouTube and social media. Facebook advertisers. Create perfect Facebook-optimized video ads to generate easy clicks, leads, and sales for your business in any niche you want, and more. Plus, with PlayPix, you're getting commercial license thrown in for free for a limited time only, allowing you to create unique, expert marketing videos for clients in minutes and collect some of the easiest paychecks you'll ever see. There's tons of clients on just Upwork alone. And just look at what you could be making from 1 to 3 clients needing multiple videos for multiple keywords in YouTube or social networks. And that doesn't include the extra marketing services you could be throwing in on top of your video services. While other tools can cost you $29, $39, or even $59 per month for a whole bunch of features you'll never use, PlayPix is all yours for a one-time only, super low fee during this limited launch period. Of course, we cannot continue to offer PlayPix for this ridiculously low price for much longer. To support the bandwidth for this technology and provide you with world-class support, we have to raise the price every few hours. Plus, PlayPix will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you'll lock in access month to month for a one-time only and super low fee today. Don't let this incredible deal slip away and regret it later. We worked long and hard to create a video tool that you've always wanted. A smooth, glitch-free tool that's easy to navigate and quick to master. A tool that can create more modern, stylish videos for all kinds of products, services, and types of business. We know you're going to love using it, or it's 100% free. If you don't instantly fall in love with this simple yet powerful video creation tool for whatever reason or for no reason at all in the next 30 days, we'll send your money straight back, no questions asked. We can't wait to hear your results and how this has been the #1 thing that has finally allowed you to make a consistent, reliable income easier and faster than anything else out there. If you're ready for a truly unfair shortcut to create videos that get results, just tap the order button below and proceed to a secure payment screen. Click the button below now, and we promise this will be one of the best decisions you've ever made.